Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to update the software for the Omen Mouse 600. So the first of all, you should search this term, HP Omen Mouse 600 firmware, and after that there should be this pop-up. At first it's from the HP site itself, support.hp.com. click it, and then as you can see that software and driver for Omen by HP Mouse 600. Now what you're going to do is click this, expand this, and as you can see that Omen by HP Mouse 600 firmware update tool, and it should be firmware 0.49 revision A, and it's about 1.3 megabytes, and you just download it. And after you download it, just open it as usual, and of course just click next, accept the license agreement, and of course they will create this file. It's called SW setup here, and this code whatever, and then just next, click next. And oh yeah, make sure when you're doing this that the mouse is plugged in, and after that just click next. And of course, since I've already installed it, just cancel it first. So after that step done, you should open there will be prompt like this, see. Okay, so as you can see that the mouse firmware is the latest version, is version 0.49 ready, and just press OK. Yeah, so if you do that, basically your mouse is now free of problem. Basically you don't have to worry about like the mouse resetting every time you press the sniper button alongside with the left and right click mouse. And of course they fix the forward button also with this upgrade, this firmware. And this update itself is that applied directly to the mouse, so you don't have to install it on the other PC. If you want to use it, you just to install it once and it'll work. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you later. And if you got a question, don't forget to comment below. Bye.